Hi everyone, it's Linnea. I'm doing a product reveal for Whimsy stamps today, and I am going to be showing you the Leaf Layers stamp set. This is a 4x6 stamp set, and this features 3 sentiments as well as 6 different leaves. Now there are a lot more than 6 images in this stamp set because this is a layering stamp set. So you're going to notice there are 6 different styles of leaves in a solid image as well as a layering image. So I created a sample card for you today so you could see how these images layer together. I chose to offset my layering, but you can absolutely line these up so that each of the top layer lines up perfectly with the bottom layer of the stamping. The Leaf Layers 4x6 stamp set, as well as the rest of the October 1st release from Whimsy Stamps, is available in the online shop now. Thanks for watching. Bye!